Hi, I'm Chuck Blau. I'm here with Randall Kopfer, a past national president of the National Association of Independent Fee Appraisers. Randall, you do right-of-way appraising?
Yes, I do.
What is different or unique about right-of-way appraising?
Well, right-of-way appraising is a specialty. It takes appraising to a next step. Not only do you have to appraise the whole property, but you have to appraise an interest in property. And so that requires that you do a little bit more work and a little bit more research, because you have to see what buyers and sellers' reactions are to more than just a whole property.
Is this the kind of appraising where sometimes you have to deal with, I think it's called damage to the remainder? Is that something that happens in right-of-way appraising?
That is correct. Damages to the remainder occur when the remainder after is worth less than the remainder before. And so the property owner is entitled to damages in addition to the value of the easement or interest that you're acquiring from them.
Does any of your appraisals require you to testify as an expert witness in court?
Well, of course, we don't like to testify in court because that's expensive, but the necessity does arise sometimes where the parties can't come to an agreement. And generally, there's a process, an administrative process that comes first before actual court testimony. In my jurisdiction in Texas, they call it a special commissioner's hearing, where a commissioner's court appoints three people that are landowners in the area to hear the case and make a value determination.
Do you enjoy, not that it's fun to get, have cross-examination, but is it sort of like a sporting event that sometimes the extra challenge of courtroom work fun?
I find it very rewarding. It gives you a chance to do more than just the everyday appraisal work. You get a chance to show your stuff and show your credibility and show that you really know how to do an appraisal.
Well, you mentioned it's sort of a rewarding experience. I guess sometimes when you're just doing an appraisal and it goes in a file, it's a lot different than a third party deciding you're right. That must be nice.
Yep, in right-of-way appraising, a lot of people look at your work, so it gets scrutinized, and so you really have to be thorough, complete, and know everything there is to know about the property.
Well, I don't mean to put you on the spot because this is just sort of out in the hallway here, but you have any favorite, trial story or right-of-way appraising story, not too long, that you can think of that might be interesting?
Not off the top of my head, I can't think of one.
That's what I get for putting you on the spot. But thank you very much for sharing that. That sounds like an interesting area that appraisers should look into. Thank you very much.